every day across the world. Fundamental rights and freedoms are violated. It takes extraordinary people to stand up and risk their lives to defend freedom. The European Parliament does not turn a blind eye to these courageous human rights defenders. Every year since 1988, its members have honored individuals or organizations with the Sakharov Prize for freedom of thought.
Il n'y aura pas de paix ni développement économique et social sans respect des droits de l'homme.
I do not agree with what you have to say, but I will defend to the death your right to say.
Because human rights are about you, are about me, about our freedoms.